up to nearest integer. Therefore, RS is equal to y plus 4 is equal to 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Therefore, the eagle was at a height of 14 meter from the ground. Example 5. A tree was broken due to storm. Its broken upper part was so inclined that its top touched the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The distance from the foot of the tree and the point where the top touched the ground was 10 meter. What was the height of the tree? Solution. As shown in figure, suppose AB is the tree. It was broken at C and its top touched at D. Angle CDB is equal to 30 degrees. BD is equal to 10 meters. BC is equal to X meters. CA is equal to CD is equal to Y meters. In right-angled triangle CDB, tan 30 degrees is equal to BC upon BD. 1 upon root 3 is equal to X upon 10. Therefore, X is equal to 10 upon root 3. Therefore, Y is equal to 20 upon root 3. X plus Y is equal to 10 upon root 3 plus 20 upon root 3, which is equal to 30 upon root 3. X plus Y is equal to 10 root 3. Therefore, height of the tree was 10 root 3 meters. Practice set 6.2. 1. A person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from a church looking at its top. The angle of elevation is of 45 degrees. Find the height of the church. Solution. In the figure, AB is the height of the church. C is the position of the person. BC is the distance of the person from the church. Angle of elevation theta is equal to angle BCA is equal to 45 degrees. From figure, tan theta is equal to AB upon BC, equation 1. Tan 45 degrees is equal to 1, equation 2. Therefore, AB upon BC is equal to 1 from equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. Therefore, AB is equal to 80, since BC is equal to 80 meters. Therefore, the height of the church is 80 meters. 2. From the top of a lighthouse, an observer looking at a ship makes angle of depression of 60 degrees. If the height of the lighthouse is 90 meters, then find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. Root 3 is equal to 1.73. Solution. In the figure, AB is the lighthouse. Therefore, AB is equal to 90 meters. C shows the position of the ship which X meter away from the lighthouse. AM is the horizontal line and angle MAC is the angle of depression. Angle MAC and angle ACB are alternate angles. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees. From figure, tan 60 degrees is equal to AB upon BC. Root 3 is equal to 90 upon X. X is equal to 90 upon 1.73. X is equal to 52.02. Therefore, the ship is 52.02 meter away from the lighthouse. Two buildings are facing each other on a road of width 12 meter. From the top of the first building, which is 10 meter high, the angle of elevation of the top of the second is found to be 60 degrees. What is the height of the second building? Solution. In the figure, AB and CD are two buildings. AB is equal to 10 meters, BC is equal to 12 meters. Draw AT perpendicular to DC. Angle TAD is the angle of elevation which is given as 60 degrees. Quadrilateral ABCT is a rectangle. Therefore, AB is equal to TC is equal to 10 meters and BC is equal to AT is equal to 12 meters. Opposite sides. In triangle ATD, angle ATD is equal to 90 degrees. Angle TAD is equal to 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equal to dt upon AT. Root 3 is equal to dt upon 12. Therefore, dt is equal to 12 root 3. Height of the second building, DC is equal to dt plus TC is equal to 12 root 3 plus 10. Therefore, DC is equal to 10 plus 12 root 3. Therefore, height of the second building is 10 plus 12 root 3 meter. Of heights 18 meter and 7 meter are erected on a ground. The length of the wire fastened at their tops is 22 meter. Find the angle made by the wire with the horizontal. Solution: let PQ and RS represent two poles. PQ is equal to 7 meters, RS is equal to 18 meters. PR is equal to length of wire is equal to 22 meters. Draw PT perpendicular to RS. PQST is a rectangle. TS is equal to PQ is equal to 7 meters. Opposite sides. RS is equal to RT plus TS. RTS are collinear. 18 is equal to RT plus 7. Therefore, RT is equal to 18 minus 7. Therefore, RT is equal to 11 meters. Let the angle made by the wire with the horizontal be theta. Therefore, angle RPT is equal to theta. In right-angled triangle PTR, angle PTR is equal to 90 degrees. Sine angle RPT is equal to sine theta is equal to RT upon PR. Therefore, sine theta is equal to 11 upon 22. Therefore, sine theta is equal to 1 upon 2. We know that sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, sine theta is equal to sine 30 degrees. Therefore, theta is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, the wire makes an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. A storm broke a tree and the tree top rested 20 meters from the base of the tree, making an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. Find the height of the tree. Solution: let PQ is the tree. It was broken at point R and its top touched at Q dash. Angle RQ dash P is equal to 60 degrees. PQ dash is equal to 20 meters. PR is equal to X meters. QR is equal to RQ dash is equal to Y meters. In right-angled triangle RQ dash P, tan 60 degrees is equal to PR upon PQ dash. Root 3 is equal to X upon 20. Therefore, X is equal to 20 root 3. Therefore, Y is equal to 40. 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees theorem. Therefore, X plus Y is equal to 40 plus 20 root 3. Therefore, the height of the tree is 40 plus 20 root 3 meter.